What's up, everybody? It's Chris from Chris Does Things in Irving, Texas tonight for the Kiss of Death Part 2 tour with Ice Nine Kills and In This Moment. I've never been to this amphitheater. We did Dos Equis Pavilion for Limp Bizkit last night. Excited to see how this place compares. Let's get inside and take a look before we check out the show. Now, of course, Ice Nine Kills is known for their over-the-top theatrics, and if you want to vote on which member of the band should Spencer sacrifice at the show, there was a QR code that we could scan, or you could go down there to ice9kills.live to cast our vote, but looks like we're in for quite the show. Now, when you first walk in and scan your ticket, you're going to be immediately greeted by all of the merchandise. Avatar is playing right now, but let's see if we can go over and take a look at how much the merch costs. So it looks like most of the shirts for In This Moment are going to be $40. There's a long sleeve for $50. Looks like they've got a hat for $50, a signed vinyl for $70, and then of course the hat for $35. Ice Nine Kills looks like it's going to be $40 for most of the t-shirts, $45 for that blue tie-dye looking one. It looks like $60 for the long sleeve, $80 for the hoodie, and it does look like there is a VIP experience that you can't buy for Avatar for $150. I will say that the view here at the Pavilion Music Factory is unreal. I mean, this is already a much cooler experience than the Dos Equis Pavilion, which I think, after putting some thought into it, I think that's my worst venue, maybe in America. Now, over here we do have a top shelf bar, and it is absolutely top shelf. The bottom is going to be $16 for vodka, really any liquor that's bottom shelf. Mid shelf, which you call luxury, is going to be $20. In the library, which is going to be top shelf, $33. And you can make it a double for $8. And similarly to the Dos Equis Pavilion, there is a live juice cocktail bar where a initial fill is going to be $24 with refills being $21. So 2 drinks, basically $50. Looks like there's a lot of the same food options over here that they had at Dos Equis. Specifically those Treos tacos, which we'll never get again, but chicken tenders, cheeseburgers, pepperoni pizza, nachos, all between $14 and $16, and then some handhelds. Looks like the cheapest thing is going to be pretzels or just a side of fries. Then, of course, we do have beers, domestics for $14, premium for $16, craft for $18. Seltzers are going to be $16, wine for $12, and then water's going to be $6, $7, or $8, depending upon the brand and size. So also some energy drinks. Now, one thing that's really cool here is this is the concourse we were at with the food, but there's going to be a bar over here which rolls right into the amphitheater. Stage is going to be here, but they've got these bar tops that you can rent. I don't know how much they are. Even down here, there's some premium seating. A lot of premium seating options here at Toyota Music Factory. And again, we've got some ultra premium seating. So we've got this whole lounge here that they call the Skybox. Looks like we've got a refrigerator, and looks like we're gonna have bar service, a couch, and some seating. Again, looking out onto the stage. And then similarly to Dos Equis, they do have these club seats. They're like kind of plushy, but nothing like we saw at Dos Equis. But I think we're gonna have some bar options, and we're gonna have some waiters and waitresses come visit us. And again, here at the best seats in the house. Now, we're here on the other side of the premium seating options that we saw way over there. And we've got these lounge boxes that are here that you can reserve. It looks like there's 4 per box. It looks like we've got a bar that's right here. I'm sure that there's going to be some bar service that comes from this area, as well as another area with couches and things like that over there. So the premium seating at this place is just over the top. Over here at the West Grill, we have basically the exact same options that we saw over there. Chicken tenders, burgers, all the same prices. It's just if you're sitting on the other side of the venue. Another bar option over here, again, $24 for that first refill and $21 after that. But I think I'm gonna stick with water at those prices. Now, out here in the lawn, if you look at these doors, they are actually they can go up and down, so they can actually enclose this. If they're not selling the lawn seats, they can make it a completely indoor venue, which I think is pretty amazing. I don't think I've ever seen that technology anywhere.
Above the rest.